Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Hellblade game on your PC or laptop. So guys, the process was very simple. You first need to open up your any browser and you have to just search for the Steam. Now the Steam website will show on the top. Just open this website. So now from here just click on the login option you are seeing on the right hand top, and now here if you have an account then just simply sign in and create one. Then just click on the install Steam and install the Steam on your PC and simply log into your account. So guys, this is the very simple process. After you log into the Steam, here click on the search box and just type the Hellblades. So once you type it, this game will show on the top and just click on the game. So now from here, you just need to scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. So from here, you just need to click on the add to cart option. Obviously, it is not free. You have to pay the $10 to buy this game. So now from here, you just need to remove any other game. Click on the continue to payment option to buy this game. So now from here, you just need to pay with your any card like PayPal or any other card you have, then just simply go to your Steam library and here in the left hand side you will see the Hellblade 2 game. Just click on that. Here you will see the option to install it. Just click on the install. Then it will start downloading and installing into your PC. And guys, this is how you can download and install the Hellblade game on your PC. And if you found this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.